Hello everybody, again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue the explanation of the good manufacturing practices elements. As we have mentioned in the previous video, there is 10 main elements of the implementation of the GMP in any factory or any food factory. The location of the site are the first element, so we'll explain the surrounding environment and its impact on the location of the site, GMP requirement, and the risk assessment. The surrounding environment. The factory's surrounding environment or activities must be reviewed to ensure there is no any adhesive activities or locations that can affect the production process, which will impact on the reputation of the company's trade name. This surrounding environment activities like area of accumulation of waste and hazardous materials as landfill area, so we must ensure there is no any landfill area beside our plant. Also, we must ensure that the plant not next to an area of offensive stagnant water or stagnant lakes. Also, there is no any drainage problems surrounding our factory. Also, we must check the water supply source for the factory to ensure that it wasn't from sewer pipe drainage supply. Also, it's a very important environmental impact on the implementation of the GMP in our site. We must also ensure that our site is not next to local industry that produce excessive smoke and dust, which will affect the odor of our products. Also, the local activities that produce excessive smoke and dust, which will affect the odor of our products, are very important to be assessed. Also, we must check any civil or construction activities beside the factory location and review its impact on our products. Also impacts on our, for example, pest control activities, because this constructions and civil work can affect the habitat or nest of the pest, and it can invade your plant. Also, we must ensure that the factory is not an area for any flood. Also, we must review the source of pest activities like this cat, for example, source surrounding the factory, like not mowing long grass. And it is not only about the mowing of the long grass, but also it's about the outer fence of the factory. So the top management must review and assess the environmental activities by creating a risk assessment all over the surrounding environment to ensure that the proper environment and location for implementing the food safety parameters of our products to implement the food safety standards. Also, we can add the possible crises as volcanoes could be included in the risk assessment. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and the upcoming video will continue the GMP explanation. Best luck for all of you, and goodbye.